Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy crab cakes. These crab cakes are so crispy on the outside and yet so moist and juicy and delicious on the inside. It's amazing. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you'll need will be your crab meat. Today I'm using some premium canned crab meat, but if you have fresh crabs, go ahead and use it. You'd also need 1 egg, about a quarter cup of mayonnaise, because this is going to keep your crabs so moist and help to bind everything together. You need some Dijon mustard, and I'm gonna give this a really good mix to make sure my eggs are broken down and the wet ingredients are mixed properly. So now I'm adding some plain breadcrumbs, some jalapeno, red bell pepper, some parsley, paprika for some good color, green onions, and then I'm gonna season with some salt and some black pepper. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this really good just to make sure those breadcrumbs, especially the breadcrumbs, get mixed in with the wet ingredients, because you want it to begin to hydrate right away. So that's gonna keep your cakes from falling apart when you form them. So now I've put in my crabs into the mixture and I'm gonna give it a really good mix. The reason I really like this canned crab is because it comes with really nice and chunky meat. But guys, if you have the time and you have access to fresh crabs, please go ahead and use the fresh crabs, because you know what I say in all my videos, the fresher the better. Okay, fresh is always the best, but your girl did not have the time to break down no crabs to take out the crab meat, so I bought this one and it's really good. You can actually get it from your local ShopRite or any store for that matter. Anyway, I've mixed up my crabs and I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This is gonna give my breadcrumbs time to really hydrate so that my cakes do not fall apart. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making my cakes with some panko breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs instead of plain breadcrumbs because panko gives it such a beautiful texture. But if you don't have panko, please go ahead and use plain breadcrumbs, but it's not gonna give you that gorgeous texture you're gonna see at the end of my crab cakes, but it works perfectly. So I'm gonna give this a really good mix to make sure the seasoning is mixed properly with the breadcrumbs. Then I'm gonna go ahead and form my cakes. So I'm gonna take about a scoop of my crab mix and I'm gonna form it into a really nice disc. I like it to be pretty, guys, so I take my time here. So the size of your crab cakes is all up to you. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So once the cakes are formed, dip it into your breadcrumbs and coat it properly with the breadcrumbs, making sure to get the edges and the corners to make sure everything is covered with the crumbs. So now I'm gonna set this on an oiled cookie sheet. Okay, make sure your pan is oiled because you don't want anything to stick to it. So this is it, guys. I've formed all my cakes and now I'm gonna set it in an oven and bake it at 450 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes, and this is what it looks like at the end. It looks so good. Actually, you can make your cakes and put it in the fridge and bake it when you're ready to eat it. Okay, so now I'm gonna garnish with some extra parsley because I like things to look pretty, and it's time to eat this. So I'm dipping it into some homemade tartar sauce just because you cannot eat crab cakes without tartar sauce. Okay, it is so good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know what you thought, or if there's a way to make this better, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want me to try anything out on my channel, let me know as well. And guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Go ahead and subscribe and share this video with your friends and your family. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.